Here are some practices that you can implement that will help slowly change you into the kind of person who can attract lots of different partners easily. Number 1. Be grateful for the relationships you have before anything else. Using The Secret to get what you want involves cultivating a sense of gratitude. This can be really hard in our society because we're programmed to complain about what is wrong with our lives. Often, we may not even realize that solutions exist for our problems, and we might just accept them as a fact of life. Well, your loneliness is not a fact of life. Whether you are alone or not, you can be grateful for the things you have. What relationships in your life do you already have that you really enjoy? Do you have some friends that you're really close to? Do you have a loving family? Do you have a good relationship with yourself? Is there someone that you're already seeing romantically, but you keep poisoning the connection by asking yourself when it's going to turn into a real relationship? Are you driving the person away with demands and desperation? Relax. Look around you. There's always something to be grateful for, even if it's hard to see at first through a lens of loneliness. Even something as simple as going out into nature and revisiting your relationship with the animals and plants that live there can make a difference. Enjoying nature can help you feel more whole and self-sufficient, and indirectly help you attract a partner. Enjoying nature can help you feel more whole and self-sufficient, and indirectly help you attract a partner. Number 2. Let go of judgment. A lot of what closes us off to connections is being overly judgmental of the people who show up in our lives. Having a strict must-have list a mile long for our prospective partner is often just a form of self-sabotage. The truth is, you might not even know what will make you happy. Loosen up a bit. Stop focusing so hard on things being perfect, and welcome what comes with happiness. That will signal the world to send more of it. Number 3. Don't sell yourself short. Just as it's a fool's errand to expect your partner to fulfill your every whim and desire, you shouldn't settle for something way below reasonable standards just because you think you can't do better. It doesn't matter how unattractive you think you are, no one deserves a partner who abuses or disrespects them. Pay attention to the signs of someone who mistreats you and know when to walk away, even if it means being alone. Sometimes, the universe will test you like this. You will receive a bad match, and it will wait and see if you have the strength to politely decline. Putting yourself out there. Do you actively meet new people to try to find a relationship? Yes, we'll see how it goes. No, I'm too shy. No, I'm sure if I stay in my room long enough, someone will show up. Isn't that how the law of attraction works? I attract people by watching reruns of Roseanne and eating Doritos? See results. Number 4. Forget the Disney ending. Make your own story. Attracting a good relationship doesn't mean that the relationship is going to be perfect or even permanent. Remember that you will attract someone who matches who you are in a given moment. If you or your partner change, the relationship may no longer be compatible. Sometimes we're meant to learn something from a relationship, and then move on when we're done. This is perfectly fine, and it's not a failure. It's just life. Let go of the need to live happily ever after. This is just cultural programming that can ironically interfere with real happiness. Instead, make your own story. What would you like the relationship to be like? Imagine it as vividly as you can in your own mind. If you can do this without feeling lack, then get as detailed as you can. Number 5. Use visualization. When you imagine your partner, make it as real as you can in your mind. Imagine yourself walking up to this person and starting a conversation. Rehearse it many times in your mind so that when the time comes to make the connection, you will be prepared. This will not only help you be more confident, but it will prime your mind to look for opportunities. Walk your own path, the one that's right for you. Walk your own path, the one that's right for you. Number 6. Send out your mating call. Once you are ready, don't be shy. Send out your intention to the world. Tell everyone you know that you're looking for a partner. Just remember not to send this message in a needy way, or it might backfire. Be confident, specify what you want, and happily invite new people into your life. If you're too shy to admit that you're looking for a relationship, then you're going to have trouble finding one. Make what you want as obvious as you can. Number 7. Build a good life, then invite others in. If you are living a life that you love, then people will naturally be attracted to you in droves. Someone who genuinely feels the joy of being alive on a daily basis is so uncommon that it will spark people's curiosity. It will attract a good partner as well. So one of the best strategies for manifesting love in your life is to simply build the foundation first. Make a life for yourself, and watch as the right people flow into it. Be careful here, though. The right life does not mean the life that I think will get me a partner. This is a trap. A lot of people force themselves into a job they hate to make money in order to attract a marriage partner. Often, this leads to a miserable marriage. Get creative and build the right life for you. The right partners for you will then naturally come. You can select plan below http://bit.ly/beliefs-law of attraction. I attached link below description. And follow it. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more, or share to help more people. Thank you so much.